What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Man, thank you for the people that watched that first video. Didn't expect to get 200 views at all. Thought maybe 5, 10, 15 views at most. But man, I was surprised and we hit 200. Shout out to the subscribers that we got too. Didn't expect to get any, and thankfully we got 3. So thank you guys for watching and subscribing. So in this video, the plan was to wash the vehicle. But of course, the one day I have off, it's raining on and off. So I figured we'd start cleaning the engine bay and at least get that going. So what we'll be using for the wash is a bucket of water with soap. I got the water hose, I got a brush. Gonna do something different. I do have some purple power, but I wanted to give this a try to see how it does on the engine bay. I got 2 bags from Target. Shout out to Target for taking all my money, so figured I'd use their bags. The soap I'll be using is gonna be that Turtle Max Power. Gonna be using a vacuum to vacuum up all of that up. And I also got 2 rags. So yeah, so let's get on to it and see how it turns out. So yeah, she started right up. So I'm gonna let her warm up to try to help evaporate some of the water, so that way it could dry up quicker. Yeah, the first thing I gotta do though is get a cover for that fuse box, because if any water gets in that, man, it's gonna be a nightmare. So yeah, I'm gonna let her dry up, and then we're gonna add the air intake that I actually got for her. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so this is what we got. We got a titanium air intake for the Integra. Got it from a guy called GFab on Instagram. Did some awesome work. The intake cost me about 400 bucks, and it came with the air filter. And I picked up some extra Mishimoto clamps just in case I needed them. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on real quick and see how she looks. All right, guys, it's been installed. Check it out. Looking a lot better. I mean, I wouldn't say it's show ready engine bay, but I mean, I don't think it looks too bad. Love, love, love how it looks. So yeah, this is our first mod, titanium air intake. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I am gonna change out this manifold because it's more for like a turbo setup. Way too big for what we have. We're just a simple all motor. So gonna swap it out for something a little bit smaller. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning. Please like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys on the next episode.